The second category that the author discusses here is that أن تستقيم عادتها وقتا لا عددا. So the timing is fixed, but the number of days fluctuate. In this second category, the timing of it is fixed. It's regular, every, let's say, 25 days, the beginning of every month. But the days are what? Not fixed. So 1 month she'll, for example, the period will be 5 days, another month will be 7 days, a third month will be 6 days. The days are not fixed, but the timing of it is fixed. It's always after 25 days. It's always in the beginning of the month. If this is the case, then she falls under the second category. What's the ruling on this second category? Same as the first. Very simple. Same as the first category. If this person sees blood, the minute this person sees blood, this person considers it haydh. Why? Because the timing is fixed, right? Because if this person's regular period is to have the cycle every 25 days, well, when that 25th day comes, this person can assume that this is haydh. Does not have to wait for 3 days to make sure that this is continuing for 3 days for it to be haydh. The minute this person sees blood, considers it haydh. So the second category, in this respect, in this aspect, is the same as the first category. This person does not have to wait or do any ihtiyat, for example, any precaution during those first 3 days. As soon as this person sees blood, considers it haydh. Yes.
So is the condition to be considered part of this group also 2 consecutive months?
Yes. Also, if a person, for 2 consecutive months, their timing is fixed, right? But the number of days are different. If 2 consecutive months this happens, then this person has a fixed timing. The waqt is fixed. She has a habit of timing, but not a number. Now there are differences between this category and the first category when it comes to the blood continuing for more than 10 days. Then we see some differences. We'll talk about that later. But when does the haydh start? This category is just like the first. Immediately. Upon seeing the blood, the haydh starts.